Police officers were dispatched to investigate a reported physical altercation involving an off-duty officer, Sergeant Siracuse, and a male individual named Peter. According to Sergeant Siracuse, he was driving his personal vehicle when he encountered a subject, known from previous law enforcement interactions, standing in the middle of the road obstructing traffic and waving a skateboard erratically. The individual appeared intoxicated and was attempting to provoke physical altercations with multiple pedestrians.
What you got, Sergeant?
Hey, I don't
hey, help me,
he's gonna go for disorderly.
He slammed me, dude.
Well, apparently you probably deserved it.
I was just skating down the street. I have these staples in my arm.
Break it down. He's 10-4.
And I need an ambulance because of my arm, where it's been slashed. Now my whole arm's numb. I have 50 staples in my arm.
You have 50 staples. All right, we're gonna sit you up.
Help me. Will you help me, please? The staples. You know about the staples in my arm.
Yep, I got it.
What do you got, Sarge?
There was no reason to slam
Front seat of my car, Sarge.
I'm not disorderly. I'm not doing nothing wrong. And my arm is paralyzed. This is really bad. You gotta please take the cuff
We're
off.
not taking the cuffs off.
This is not right. All the neighbors are watching.
Well,
He's off duty. He jumped out of his truck and
sit still. Cross your ankles. Cross your ankles.
How can he be off duty
Cross your ankles.
and jump out of his truck and slam me for no reason? And he didn't even ask me for an ID. He didn't present that he was a cop. He didn't say he had a badge. Nothing.
All right, listen. Take a deep breath.
I don't want to
What's your first name?
I don't want to disorder.
Peter,
What he did was illegal.
Can you listen to me? Don't worry about him. Talk to me.
He didn't
Are
tell
you
me.
injured?
Yeah.
It's going to be a 10-15 for disorderly.
I have 50 staples in
If
my
you,
left
hey,
arm.
you want to
Where
take
are
it from
you
him, or?
Huh?
Okay.
Where are you injured at?
My right arm's paralyzed.
Besides the pre-existing injury.
No, it's from a day and a half ago. Like, it's really bad. Why would he? He didn't even tell me he was a cop. I'm skating down the street. He gets out of his car and then just pulls me over, and I think
Peter,
he's going to talk to
listen.
me. He just slams me with
Do you need an ambulance?
Yeah, man. Why would he do that? I don't want to go to jail. I'm not disorderly. Cut me a break, man.
Listen, we'll get to the bottom of it in a second, okay?
Yeah,
Just take a breath, relax, okay?
And then he went through my bag. I didn't even know he was a cop. How do I know? He just grabbed.
Yeah, 10-4.
My arm's paralyzed. That's not right. That dude, he's an off-duty cop. Like, I'm just skating down the street, and he tried to hit me with his truck. He's an off-duty cop.
Peter, you got an ID on you?
Yeah, he took my
Where's
ID.
your ID?
He
You took it?
I thought he was just trying to be nice to me and talk to me, and he just snatched me up. My arm's
What's your
paralyzed.
last name, Mason?
Yeah, I don't want to go for disorderly. I didn't do anything wrong. How do I know this? Dude,
ID on it.
He said he's got it.
all the neighbors seen it. There's witnesses. This guy, and then he slammed my face into the concrete. That's police brutality. I mean, no body cam, no nothing. Didn't present an ID. I asked him, if you're a cop, who are you? I thought he was just calling me over to the truck to say hi or something. You know what I'm saying? He tried to hit me. All the neighbors seen it. You see all these neighbors? They all seen it.
Is this your stuff back here?
All these neighbors seen it. Yeah. That guy
When
right
did you
there.
get out of prison, Peter?
4 months ago.
For what was that, Agastol and
I was drunk, threw my board in the car.
What's your first name, boss? Spell it.
And I don't need to go to jail or disorder. How do I?
All right, let's work through the easy stuff.
Yo.
Peter, listen. Let's work through the
attention.
easy stuff. Listen to this officer.
Spell your first name.
Can you guys stand me up? My arms
No.
are paralyzed. It hurts.
Spell your first name.
P-E-T-E.
What?
P-E-T-E.
Pete.
Yep. Pete Maples. No, he's straight lying, dude. I was just
What's your
skating
middle
down
name?
the street, man.
Spell your middle name.
He can't slam my face into the sidewalk.
Hey, focus.
Hey, put him in the back of a car and get him out of here.
No,
Go somewhere else.
No,
Stand up.
Pick him up and put him in the
I
back
can't
of the
sit
car.
in the back.
Stand up.
Because my arm's
Stand up.
paralyzed.
Okay.
All right, take him, let's go. We'll do this quick.
Come on.
We're walking that
Come
way.
on.
Loosen the
We're
cuff.
walking that
You,
way.
that was what you did was
Stop.
illegal. Ow, ow, I have 50 staples in my arm. I didn't do nothing
Well,
wrong.
listen. I'm not touching your
I
staples.
don't want to go to jail.
Well, put your stomach on the blue line.
Can you loosen the, in my hat?
No.
Too? My hat and my board?
Help him,
Ow,
sir.
there's staples in my arm. I didn't do, where's my hat?
I'll grab your stuff over there.
He slammed me for no reason. My Vans hat, my backpack. I didn't even know he's a cop.
Yeah, go ahead. You can take it out. He's going to jail.
My
All
ID.
right. I thought you said you didn't have your ID. How?
What he did was illegal.
Look at that.
What? No, he had my.
You gotta get some driving clear.
You guys cut me some slack, man. I'm homeless.
You had a chance. You got a risk
No,
off.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Lean up against the car, boss. Lean against the car.
I didn't do anything wrong. He grabbed me and slammed me. I did nothing wrong.
Okay, the judge will
Go around
answer
behind me.
all your questions. You're going to
Yeah.
jail. You're not
Disorderly
getting a break.
conduct, right?
That's right.
So, miss,
Resisting and disorderly
double
conduct.
check that sign.
Resist. Why do you guys keep
Listen, widen your stance, man. Come on.
This is illegal. Please film this.
It's all being recorded.
It's all being recorded.
No, these people, the neighbors.
Good. Good.
Are they going to film something that we aren't?
I got staples in my arm.
You said that.
I need to go. And where's my hat?
We'll get your stuff. Don't worry.
I just want.
Actually, hey,
Stop being abrasive.
I need an
dude.
ambulance.
they're on the way.
Have a seat till the ambulance get here. Have a seat till the ambulance get here.
Give me a second.
One more time, I'm
My
going to
arm-
pack you up and put you in
My
there.
arm's paralyzed. I didn't resist.
So do what we're asking.
How can I resist to an off-duty cop that I don't even know is a cop?
Because you become abrasive and
No,
you don't do
I
what
didn't
we
know
ask
he
you
was
to
a
do.
cop.
Get in the car.
Yes, you do.
He
You
just
don't.
jumped out of his
Get
truck
in the car,
and grabbed
or we're
me.
going to put you in the car.
He just jumped out of his truck and grabbed
Get
me.
all the way in the car.
You can't do that.
Get your feet in. Get your feet in.
Come on. Do that.
Here, hold that.
Help. Ow.
Get in.
I'm good. Ow.
Obviously, you're not.
Ow.
Now when Rusty gets here, if you all want to check him out, that's fine. But he's not doing anything, but we got 6 police officers here and we're holding traffic because he won't comply with our request.
No, I didn't do anything
Okay,
wrong.
that's nice. Don't go anywhere. Stay put.
Oops, sorry, Sarge.
It doesn't matter.
Hey, Sarge, can we get your?
Al, you he requested an ambulance? So.
Yeah, we got it on the way.
Oh, this guy?
Tell me what happened, Sarge.
Are you taking this?
Yep.
All right, so he knows I'm a cop.
Yep.
I just arrested him I was with Sandwick at Sloppy
Yeah,
Joe's
he
for
just said
disorderly
that.
and resisting. So I'm coming down, I was on the phone with Leahy originally, but I'm coming down like passing the nature preserve way back there.
Okay.
And I see him in the middle of the road with his skateboard, and he's got traffic stopped, and he's screaming. He's at the hood of this like black SUV, and he's screaming. He's got his bag of booze up and stuff, and he's screaming at him in the middle of the road, causing this big scene.
Okay.
So I pull up. I'm like, hey, you know I'm a cop. I said, get out of the road.
Yeah.
And then he started talking all this shit. He's like, oh, you're off duty. You want to do shit, blah blah blah. So I'm like, okay. So I'm like, listen, I'll have you arrested. I'm like, get out of the roadway.
Yeah.
So then I pull over way up here, and all of a sudden he knows I'm calling the cops. So he comes fucking charging all the way to my driver's side. That's why I hung up. I was trying to call Dupani.
Yeah.
I hit 911 speakerphone, and just was like, Desi, 1616 Atlantic, send me somebody real quick. And then I jumped out like as he was at my door.
Yeah.
I just unbarked the gun, and I have handcuffs in the glove compartment.
Okay.
So I
Did he
just took
swing
him
the
down.
board at you at all?
No.
Did he try to hit you?
He
at
just
all?
came right up to the door. I opened it, grabbed him, armbarred him,
Okay.
handcuffed him with my handcuffs, and then just held him on the ground until y'all got here.
Okay.
Some dude in a Tacoma pulled up behind me. I was like, did you already call the cops? And I don't think he could hear me, but I was like, yeah, I'm like, it's good, but
Okay.
I think he called too. So.
Okay. So at the very least, we got disorderly. Did he threaten you at all? Did he make any threats towards you?
Not that I know.
Okay.
I would just do disorderly.
Okay. That's fine.
And then I'll write you.
No worries. No worries. We got enough.
You get overtime. You acted in a LE capacity. You can put it for
I
overtime.
didn't want to act in a law enforcement capacity.
Surprised
Enjoy
the
my
camera
day.
works. All right. We're going to take him. You good? You need medical attention?
Absolutely not.
All right. Is he refusing to get out?
No, I didn't stop. I'm not refusing or resisting anything. Please be careful. These staples in my arm, please.
I'm not touching the staples in your arm. I'm touching your shoulder.
I'm non-violent.
I don't have my hand on your neck. It's on your forehead
Well, why
and your
is it
cheek.
there? Why
Because
is it
I don't want to smell your stinking ass breath, and I don't want you to spit on me.
So this is police
That's fine.
Absolutely.
Okay. You say so.
Please loosen the cuffs a little.
I can fit my fingers, 2 fingers in
My
between
hand
them.
is paralyzed.
Your hand's not paralyzed.
My
All right,
arm
let's
is
go.
paralyzed.
Get back in. I got it.
I'm not resisting. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Stop turning your face towards me. I'll get in.
You guys are beating me up, man.
Somebody's beating you up.
Your officer, that he's off duty.
Get in. If I was beating you up, you would know. I promise you.
Why am I going to jail, Hal?
Get in. I already told you.
Why you hit me with
I tried to explain it to you, but you wouldn't stop talking. So now I'm not going to explain it to you. You're just going to jail. Get in.
I'm in.
Put your hands. There we go. Look at
Stop
that.
grabbing the staples. What?
I didn't touch your staples. Did we search it already?
I think Lieutenant Vasquez did.
Oh, hey, look at that. I'm sure that helps. Yeah.
Al, you have everything? Alright, I'll give you all right.
Let me get pictures.
You can't arrest people and not announce yourself as a police officer. You can't be off duty and do that. That's illegal.
Well, it appears that it happened in this case.
Yeah, you broke the law.
Okay, well, you'll get your day in court.
You broke the law.
Okay, that's enough.
You broke the law. I want to speak to your supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're the supervisor, huh? You broke the law with that, dude. I don't bother you guys. You know my mom's a police officer.
Listen, dude, I've told you this 3 times. Just because you're getting arrested don't mean you're guilty. You'll have your day in court. If what you're saying is true and Syracuse is lying, you'll get out. And then
He's off duty.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter. He's not a on-duty police officer.
Why, when you run up on him, did you tell him that he's off duty?
I asked him to buy me something to eat.
Evidently, you want to.
You can't grab people and put them in handcuffs off duty.
Handcuffs are not coming off. Where are you playing?
No, you can't grab an off-duty cop. Can't come and grab a civilian when he's not not addressing himself as a police officer without body cam. What he did is illegal.
And like my supervisor just told you, if that is the case and you are
It is the
innocent,
case.
You'll get your day in court.
I am innocent.
There you go.
Yeah, hey, dude. No offense against any of you guys. What he did was wrong. You hear me? I should be let out immediately when I get to court. And where was the resisting? Where's the body cam footage that's going to show this resisting? Huh? Where's it? I mean, there's no resisting. I didn't resist.
Be quiet.
Don't charge me with resisting. I didn't resist. How can I resist?
How many times
How-
did I ask you to give me your name?
But how can an off-duty?
How many times did I ask
How can an
you?
off-duty cop snatch someone up like that? And he slammed my face into the sidewalk. I didn't know he's a cop.
Instead of standing in the middle of traffic, maybe you should consider taking a shower.
Taking a shower? How? How do I take a shower? My arm's paralyzed. Why do I smell?
Yes. You don't smell very good.
I don't care. And putting his hand on my face like that? That wasn't cool. And how's the judge going to feel about this?
I don't know. You will find out once you get
An
there.
off-duty cop that doesn't address himself as a police. Anybody could be driving down the street and say, "I'm a cop. Hey, get on the ground." But how do you know that that person's a cop? My arm is paralyzed, so there's no way that I can resist. This is going to look real good in court. This might be a lawsuit for me. Huh? Yeah. Did you say get in line?
Yes. You want me to say it again? Get in.
Nah, because I'm not going to disrespect you guys. You guys have never done nothing wrong to me. And when I get out of jail, I'll be back out on the streets, so I'm not going to bad name.
You're lucky you just did an armbar takedown. You walk up and armbar
I have
you get shot.
50. I could smoke him on the ground rolling. Okay? But I can't. I'm anti-violence. I renounce violence, so I'm not gonna do anything violent. But, dude, if I try to react, then he'll try to charge me with a battery on a police officer. And then putting these cuffs so tight on me that they're restricting? No. I know my rights, I know the law. What happened to me just now is illegal. All the neighbors seen it too. You know, the whole community, they look out for me and they care about me. That's why they were all stopping and watching.
You know what is illegal? Standing in the middle of the road.
No, that standing in the middle of the road, crossing the street is not illegal. There's nothing wrong with crossing the street to the sidewalk. Huh?
Unless you're in a crosswalk.
There's no crosswalks there. I'm not going to go back and forth with you, Hal. We're not going to do this. I'm not going to negotiate with you. What happened was illegal, was a violation of my rights. He's an off-duty police officer. That's it. He's got no body cam on. How can I resist arrest against an off-duty police officer? Because I didn't resist y'all. I'm screaming because my arm hurts so bad. The pain. He's not that big. He's not that tough. But he's a cop, so I can't do anything back. Good, take me in jail so I can get some water. A lot of water. And eat good. And lay back and watch TV.